Some more?
This?
Well
She
done.
finished all that.
Yeah, she would like more. Wow, that's a big mouthful.
Is that John Big Mouth full?
Oh, only too big. What about some more for Zali? She's hungry. Good boy. Good kids, aren't you?
Daddy, just that.
What is it? Mango?
Yeah. Hey,
Zali. A little bit more for her. Big girl. Well done. I think we should wipe the rest of that stuff off your face, eh? Oh, good girl. Yeah, now wipe it on Tyler.
Sally has this.
No, don't let her just grab it, because you feed it to her.